When it comes to planning and designing outdoor spaces, Everett's Gardens has a reputation of not only offering a fantastic selection of products, but the knowledge and guidance to help you succeed as well.
That's right. In today's segment, sponsored by Everett's Gardens, we joined them as they gave our patio here at Fox 17 a facelift. Take a look.
So you got a lot of good trees here that kind of form a base for your patio. So you got some different river birch here. They add a lot of height, a lot of cool character. The trunks, they have the peeling bark, which adds a lot of just cool uniqueness to the tree. You got some Siberian spruce right here. They're really nice trees. They add some interest in the wintertime especially. They stay green all year long. They have that kind of a little bit of a whitish bluish tint to them as well, so it adds a little cool different color to the patio. You got a lot of different like arbs. You got some emerald arbs over there. You got some green arbs over there. They're good for privacy, helps to create just a space that you can enjoy, that you don't have to worry about other people kind of seeing in on your patio and bugging you. So if you want privacy in the wintertime, you're definitely going to want some evergreen trees. So they don't lose their leaves. They're going to give you privacy all year round. If you're going to want some shade, you're probably going to want some bigger shade trees, so that way you can provide some shade on the patio, so that way you're not out in the sun 24/7. So you could do some like an October Glory maple, even some crab apples to give you some flowers during the spring. You could do maybe some different Japanese maples, some different ornamental trees. That gives you a little different color leaf throughout the whole year. Any of those type of trees, they're beautiful. The river birches, they like water. They're gonna suck up a lot of water. There's not gonna be too many water issues here. The arbs, they're beautiful trees. The root structure is not gonna be too invasive, so it's not gonna undermine the patio at all in any way. You got a lot of different flowering shrubs here. They're gonna add a lot of different interests, especially during the spring and throughout the summer, and especially during the fall too when they're flowering. So there's certain trees that you'll definitely have to kind of prune back a little bit more, clean up more. Crab apples you'll have to clean up a little bit more. Definitely some of the Japanese maples, you have to kind of keep them pruned a little bit depending on how you want their shape to be. So if you want them to stay kind of more compact and just a little bit more shaped, you're definitely going to have to prune them back a little bit more. The river birch, they do have an aggressive root structure, so you want to make sure that they're planted far enough away from the patio. So like these ones here, they're planted a good 15 feet back from the patio, so they're not going to affect the patio in any way. Definitely more like bigger shade trees like a Norway maple or any of those bigger trees, they're gonna, if you plant them too close to the patio, you're gonna see the roots kind of push up some of the patio. So you're gonna wanna make sure that they're planted at least probably 10 feet away from the patio. For those who don't know how far to plant a tree away from the patio or not, what specific tree will look good and what specific tree will do good in this area, you're gonna wanna call us so that we can come out and kind of show you and give you the best option for your area. So we do have a $25 consultation fee, but that's a pretty small charge for, we can come out, give you a bunch of different ideas. So once you get the quote, it's kind of up to you if you want to go ahead with the quote, if you want to change a few different things. Yeah, we can go back and forth on that and get you really what you want.
If you want to get in touch with Everett's Gardens, you can check them out online at everettsgardens.com or give them a call, 616-438-1592.